Oh man. There we go. It wasn't too bad, to be honest. I thought it was going to be worse than that. It's not too bad. Can't really complain. Just walking, just climbing up this little bit of a path that I've come across. So my plan A is to walk up this hill to the top of it. I think the woodland ends. I think the woodland ends up there, and then it's just sort of like more sort of like marshland after that. So the plan is to get up there, get the drone out, and then just see what we can see, to be honest. See what we see from there. It's just going to be an absolute mission to get in there, because look at this. Again, it's not too bad this time because you can just kind of circle around it, but I know that it just keeps getting worse from here as soon as it starts climbing. I think we're about to come up to the one in a second, but I'll get through this, put you guys away, I'll get you through this, and I'll catch up with you guys once I've kind of cleared a little bit. There's another one right here to get through, so I'll catch up with you guys in a bit when I'm hopefully when I'm at the top, or somewhere that I can take a second and just take in the views for a minute. So here we are, up that way, straight up the top. That's going to be a mission, but my hands are freezing. See if this is open. There's like a bit of a thing around it. Right. Oh, that's not even attached to anything. Right, oh, there we go. Lovely stuff. Oh. Right, just pop that back on. Let's put it in here. Not that it really does anything, to be honest. Oh, pop it in there. Pop it on there. There we go. And here we are. Let's go. So as we're walking up here, you can see these trees behind me. Behind those trees should be the view that we're coming here for. I mean, there's a little bit of snow on the ground. I don't think it'll really have that snowy feel to it, but we'll see. So as we climb higher and higher, and these trees drop below the eyesight, we should get a peek at what's behind. Oh, look at this, dude. This is so sick. This is incredible. A bit out of breath now. Right, so here we are. We sort of made it to the top. I think like just about high enough now to actually get the drone out. As you can see, it's in my hand already anyway, but so we're gonna fly it down. I don't really know if you guys can see it from there, but fly it down where the kind of like river sort of is, and see what we can get. Oh, this is incredible. It is Christmas Eve, and I like the fact that there's a little bit of snow that's fallen just before I got here. It probably won't stay. It'll probably be gone by tomorrow. And what we're going to do is actually, where I'm going to send the drone towards now, we're actually going to camp around that area tonight. Temperature's meant to drop a little bit more than what it is now. I think right now it's about, well, freezing, maybe -1. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the camp up. It's going to come down to about, I think well, I said about -7 towards about, you know, early morning, about 5 o'clock. So, you know, it's going to be on the colder side, but that's what I like about it, you know. That's the sense of adventure, sense of sort of being in nature, being in the wild. So we'll see how it goes. Like, let's get the drone out.
For the strongest mind when driven round the bend, to face the near impossible when the fog descends. You can place your goodwill in the center of the fire. I'm closed for business today. It falls from the sky and it crushes us to the ground. Movements are sluggish and enthusiasm can't be found. I can't see anything out there. I'm closed for business today. Take your pills and push the quilt away. Try to figure out what broke the day. A chemical imbalance or just circumstance? Or is it just a part of me by random chance? Answers on a postcard and send them right away. I'm closed for business today.
This here is going to be our camp. Someone's obviously, it's a very established camping area. There's a fire pit right there. I walked past a couple of fire pits on the way as well, but just have a look at this for a moment. Just have a look at this. You're crazy. That's going to be our view tonight. The plan is set the tent here. I think it's the best spot purely because it's quite blocked off. There's like that's that tree there. There's obviously this tree with branches coming out. So there's a main path kind of follows around there to the back, and then you can kind of circle back around to the car park, just like a circular route. There's more than enough wood here. There's already, looks like already someone already piled a load here, which we'll make use of. And yeah, absolutely buzzing to set the camp up now. Although with that being said, it is still a little bit early. Still there's like a couple of people who are kind of walking up and down. A couple of dog walkers, probably some local people. So I might just wait a little bit and just chill out, track for a bit. I'll probably have another hour or so of daylight. So I'll probably just take the views in. It's a little bit windy, it's a little bit cold now that I've sort of stopped hiking, stopped walking. So I'm probably going to put my down jacket on, get layered up, and sit down and just enjoy this view. What more can you want? What more can you want? Christmas Eve, I mean, it doesn't really get any better than this. got our twigs here. Pencil, rough about maybe a finger thickness, and then we've got a slightly bigger lot here, and then eventually I'll be processing wood about this big. Should burn really nice, to be honest. Should be alright. Should get a nice fire going. Oh, I can't wait to get my hands warm. It's cold, man. It said it was going to be about, -7. I think it's probably about -2, -3 now at the minute. Yeah, I don't think it's any lower than -3, to be honest. But the wind is the constant wind. Obviously, it's the views are incredible, but it creates like a wind tunnel. It's just constantly windy. It's coming through, and it really goes through you. So I can't wait to get this fire going and warm myself up a little bit, and then eventually have dinner. I've not eaten anything yet today, so I'm absolutely starving. Alright guys, so it got really dark very quickly, so I didn't show how I prepared the chicken, but the chicken's right now in the fire. Got some spices inside and outside, some oil, also made some like a really nice like a sauce mix kind of thing, which I kind of rubbed it all around, and then wrapped it roughly about maybe 6 to 8 times around tin foil, and you just stuck it in there. This is going to take about 2 hours, rotating it every 20 minutes or so, and you know, in about 2 hours time I should be ready to eat. So I'm absolutely buzzing about it. I'm so excited to eat this, because I've not, like I said, I've not eaten anything yet, and this is the first meal of the day for me, and it's like 5 PM, so you can kind of imagine how hungry I am right now. But yeah, once it's all cooked and ready to eat, I'll bring you guys back. We'll have a look at how it turned out. That wait, that 2 hours felt like 5 at least. I was just by the fire the whole time, just, I don't know, just like smelling it. I could hear it, I could smell it, and I was just waiting for it to be cooked. Alright, anyway, it's time to see if this is actually cooked. I hope it's cooked. It should be cooked. We'll see. To it. Too many layers of tin foil. I'll just cut through it eventually. Okay, the skin is a little bit burnt, but it's a bit charred. Not the end of the world. The sides are looking nice. We don't want to eat the skin anyway, so I'll be ripping the skin off it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. The steam's still coming off it. Oh. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. Oh. Alright guys, oh that is delicious. So sick. I'm going to devour this chicken. Well, I don't think I can finish the whole thing, but as much as possible, to be honest. I'm not going to film myself eating it, and it is getting late, so I'm just going to chill out. It's just dark outside, there's nothing to do, so I'm just going to chill out and go to bed after that. Right, see you guys later. I'm going to tuck into this, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode.
For the strongest mind when driven round the bend, to face the near impossible when the fog descends. You can place your goodwill in the center of the fire. I'm closed for business today. He falls from the sky and it crushes us to the ground. Movements are sluggish and enthusiasm can't be found. I can't see anything out there. I'm closed for business